Welcome to Edupedia World Videos. We are learning PowerPoint advanced tips and tricks, and my name is Neeru Verma. Topic for this session is creating the timeline diagrams 2D. In the previous video, I have shown you certain examples, and we have discussed about a few tips that how do we create the timeline diagrams. These are certain diagrams that I have shown you, and we have tried to create this timeline diagram with the help of the smart art graphic. So in this video, I'll give you some other tips for creating the other diagrams as well. Let me show you the simplest diagram first that we can create with the help of these shapes. I'll insert a new slide first and I'll show you that how do we create this timeline diagram. I'll insert a new slide here. What I have to do here is I'll click on insert and then I'll select a shape. I'll go for this line shape. I'll delete this box. Okay, so this is one of the line. I'll duplicate this. If you want, you can change the thickness of the line. You can make them thick. You need to right click on the object after selecting this and then select format object, and you can increase the thickness or decrease. You can change the, we are in the line style and width. I'm selecting 2 here, 2 points. So this is how it looks now. And now I want to insert the triangles. So I have selected one. This is one of the triangle I have selected. Now I'll create the multiple copies, but before creating the copy, you just set the other dimensions like the width, the height, and what would be the size of the triangle and the color as well if you want to change that. So we can create this in a black and white format also. If I want, I can go for the gray color. These lines, I can select them as black. This I can select dark gray, or in the shape fill, I'll go in the shape fill, and here I'll try to assign a darker color. This one. Shape outline, if I want, I can change it to the black one. This also, let me change this in black color. Now I'll create multiple copies and I'll try to align them on here. For this, I'll rotate one of the triangle, I'll rotate like this. Okay, I'll try to put it here. So similarly, I'll create the copies of the triangle which is there in the bottom line, and I'll create the copy of this triangle also, and I'll align them this ways. I can insert a text box here if I want to write the timing or what we have achieved. So this way I can write here. So this is also one of the way you can apply the animations. You can see the previous videos that what are the ways, what are the different ways by which we can assign the animation, different kind of animation. And if you are following the previous videos, you up till now you will be in the condition to apply different kind of animation to the objects. So this is how we can create this kind of timeline diagram, and this is how it looks like. These are the lines now. I have tried to create the triangles like this. So it's very simple to create the timeline diagram. So that was it for this video. In the other video, I'll give you some other tricks for creating the timeline diagrams in a different way. I hope you have enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching Edupedia World videos.